What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see, got the Foxbody behind us, and I know it's been a little while. I don't exactly remember where we left off on here. Don't know if we told y'all, but we kind of diagnosed the computer going bad in here, and most of y'all know the end goal of the car is to be coyote swapped, but for some reason my dad wanted to keep going with this 302 since we got it running, and we kind of diagnosed it down to the computer. We figured out the MAF sensor was bad in it, so we tried to replace it and it didn't do anything. Basically the car ran better when the MAF was disconnected, so narrowed it down to the computer being bad. We took it apart, and I'll post up a video right here, but took it apart and you could kind of see some burnt capacitors and stuff in there, and I kind of did some research on it and I figured out that's what happens to these Foxbodies. So I posted it up on Instagram, and a lot of you guys were recommending the ECU exchange, and I hit them up and they went through the computer and everything like that, and they said they found a lot of messed up stuff in there. So we're hoping we slap this computer in and the car runs fine now, because you know we took the injectors out, cleaned them and everything like that. So this same computer, they cleaned it up, you guys can tell. Put their sticker on there. It's an A9P computer because it's an auto 5-liter car, and hopefully we slap this thing in and we plug in the new MAF and everything should work as normal. So we can't go on a test drive yet because we didn't yet complete installing the electric fans. That's gonna be the next video. We got it partially installed, but not finished yet. So today we're just gonna put this computer in, see if the car runs, and see if it runs good. You ready or what?
Oh shit. We moved in on the first thing my dad did to our new house. Follow me, bro. It's a moment of truth.
See, the battery's not dead.
Okay. Whatever, bro. I want to see. Uh-oh. They're about to fire up the car.
Is it my husband?
I'm gonna put the kick panel on. I didn't realize
What do you think? Sounds good, right? Hear how it sounds when it idles down, though. Damn, it sounds better than it ever did.
Kick the fans on? It's wired and hooked to kick the fans on already?
No.
No, the sensor one for the heat. You got power to it.
Yeah, but we have this. No, we don't.
No, one is for the AC and the other one is for the
AC override, and the other one's for the switch.
Yeah, but you got one that's signaling hot. I forget, when it gets hot, kick the fans on.
I don't think so. One's supposed to be for the AC override.
Which one?
I don't remember.
The hot one?
I need to look it up.
Hot?
No. You get a shit.
You got fire to it? You got fuses there?
Oh, nope.
No? Where the fuck is fuse at?
I don't know. Can you get one?
I got some in there in the glove box.
Glove box?
What's your footer? 30?
30? See which one's in here. They have a 30 in here. Rev it again. And it's not even smoking no more.
I learned control valves, I go bringing it down and shit. When it gets hot.
Alright, so finally idled down. He just needed to move the idle screw. Damn, this thing sounds good. Sounds good. Oh shit. Bro, not a knock or anything. Oh, yeah, that shit's crazy. Alright, well, what turned into a ECU change video quickly turned into a first drive video. My dad's real stoked to drive this thing. We don't even know if it's gonna get out of first gear, but he's gonna go drive it. You should have cleaned the windshield.
How you doing, Nose? I gotta burn the rust off the brakes, dude. They're all f***ing rusted.
You think it's gonna shift? Did you put more fluid in it? Oh.
Yeah, it might have the.
Make sure it stops.
It's got a vacuum regulator to the side of it that makes it shift. Or it might be that shift cable on the top that needs to get adjusted.
First drive since 2006.
So we're gonna get pulled over by the cops, so we're gonna make sure it don't go down. Shifted.
It did?
Mm-hmm. Why didn't you get the...
Yeah, so when we first got it on the floor and we first got it running, he tried to put it in the drive and the thing did not lurch forward or anything. So we put some fluid in it because the stick was dry.
Shifted a second.
And now it's shifting. Don't drive too far, the fucking tires are dry rotted.
I know. There's weenies out of it. Little trend breaker.
Is that the axle? Is that the rear end?
I don't know, maybe.
What's that?
What is that?
Oh, probably the seatbelt.
Oh yeah. I have my seatbelt on. My seatbelt on. That thing works really crazy. I doubt it. No, it's not that. Something's telling me something.
Yeah, no, that's not. That's
Man, what are these guys doing?
Your battery voltage is like nothing.
I think it's a cluster.
Reverse works.
Stopped. I'm going to again.
Look at your truck.
Why you gotta go draw on that?
The temperature's staying low, those fans are putting in work. We instead of putting a switch to 12 volt source, we just wired it straight to the battery, so the fans are constantly running, so can't really drive it for too long. You need to either wire it to a toggle switch or figure something out because it doesn't have AC no more.
It should pick up the temp sensor. I don't know if it's ever gotten that hot.
Yeah.
Sometimes the temp sensor will open like 3/4 and then it'll kick it on. You gotta know when it opens and closes.
Yeah, because it has a new thermostat housing for the sensor itself, and came with ARP hardware, so it's all sealed up good. No, it has power. It's not misfiring, right?
No.
We haven't even changed the plugs.
Yeah, we did. I put new ones.
You did?
Yeah. Feel it? Feel it?
Yeah.
Look at that fan, they're so kicked down.
Well, ECU Exchange, they fixed it. This isn't sponsored. They fixed it, got it back right in a fast time, to be honest. So, we appreciate good work like that. Paid for it, obviously. Runs good. Saved it from, hasn't ran since 2006. We saved it. Ugh.
Computer in there?
That's crazy, bro. That's literally
all that gasoline and shit was in the fucking crack.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's crazy.
Hey, I'm coming for 4.6 now.
Well guys, it looks like it's been successful. As y'all can see, car's still running. Didn't overheat or nothing. And the fans cool it down pretty good, so yeah, that's all we got for the Foxbody right now. Next things to come, I'm not too sure on what's next, but yeah, Dad's pretty stoked on it. The car runs good. We need to finish up wiring this radiator fans install, and yeah, we'll see where we go from here, guys. Just stay tuned for this Foxbody content, the SN95 content, and yeah man, stay on the grind, and we have a lot more work to do. So I'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy 4.6Chris. Peace out, man.
I am, girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. Girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta